Hey, welcome back to this tutorial, and I am Evander Aarons. So today we are looking at comparison operators in C++. Alright, so with comparison, sometimes called relational, this is where we compare we check the relationship between two variables, whether someone's age is equal to this one's age, whether the amount on your account is equal or greater than the amount you want to withdraw. Then we can allow you withdraw. If the amount is too small, then we simply print a message that you have insufficient funds, like that. So we do all that using comparisons to relational operators. So some of the relational operators we're going to look at, one is double equal signs, then greater or equal. Let me first get my, come on. Next is we need this less or equal to. Okay, your job is done. Then we have the not equal to, and what else? So this is what we are looking at basically. Now not this one. In arithmetic or assignment operators had single equal signs, but this time have two equal signs. Okay, so beacon on that. Now we have greater or less or equal to, we have less or equal to, we have not equal to. Okay, let's again use our values x as 4, y as 4, x equals 5 and y equals 4. So if we say x equals 5 equals y, always this condition is always maybe embedded in a bracket, and the returned value is always true or false. So this is when we bring in the Boolean data type. So Boolean data type has two values, which is true, and true is always represented with 1, and has the next value which is false, which is represented with 0. So if these two values are equal, meaning that x is 5, and if at all this was 5, then here the answer would be 1 to indicate true. Okay, that x, which is 5, is equal to 5. But in this case we are using x as 4, y as 4, this returns 0. So I'm commenting out this one so that you understand what I'm doing. Okay, so I said we have two Boolean values, true and false. True yields 1 and false yields 0. So the moment you see me write 0 or 1, don't get surprised. That's what I'm trying to mean. Next is copy this one and paste it on a new line. Now we're evaluating greater or less to y. So is x greater or equal to y? So 5 is greater than 4, okay? Yeah. So this one becomes 1, meaning true. So this is false, like that. Okay, next we got copy this one as well and post it here, so we get all these, and very easy when it comes to typing. So now, is x less or equal to y? This is automatically false. So we simply write 0, which also represents a false. Now you get that difference. So the next one is not equal to this here. Why should I write myself? So now this will be like x not, so the whole of this means not, an exclamation mark means not. So x not equal to y. So, and this one here, it is very true that x is not equal to y. So the value becomes 1 and we write true like that. Okay, now you get the full explanation. Here we are checking the equality of two values 4 and 5. Then here we are checking the maximum of the two. Then here we are checking the minimum. Then here we are checking, we are proving that x is not equal to y. So let's get back to C++ and then here we can say equal to this one we can easily say greater, then we can say less than, this greater than, come on, okay, less. Then the next one was how many are they? Greater, less than, then not equal like that. Okay, so we don't need you here, you won't work. And then we're saying less than, not equal to y. Then this one becomes less, paste this here. We don't need this. You can use brackets, so neglect them if you really don't care, like me. Remove the comment, we can leave it if you want it. Then here it should be greater or equal, and then this one should be double equal signs like that. Run it and we got an error. My god, they are saying, let me first change this one to int, and then you got to use brackets here like that. Come on, like this. So x equals to y, and still this one we need some pair of brackets. Just include them and paste this. The same applies to this one. Before, let me first copy this and paste it there. So we need some brackets as well. Include them. Okay. Include them and paste. Then we also need some brackets for this. Cut it, include brackets and paste it. That's it. We'll run it again. Wow, that works. So the first statement, x equal to y, it is 0, indicating that this is false. 4 is not equal to 5. The second is x greater or equal to y. 5 is greater than y, 4. So the next one is less, meaning 5 is not less than, then not equal to yields true cause 4 is not equal to 5. Okay, so this is the explain I gave you right here, and those are the preceding answers you got. So that's it for today. We meet in the next lecture where we talk about another type of operators. Thank you. Please like me, subscribe and share with your friends.